Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Monday market webcast. Okay, everybody had a good long weekend, good Christmas holiday. Daily chart, and you can see it's more clear on the hourly. I'll show you that in a minute. But we bounced off the 100, and we've just marched up through everything: the 50, the 20, the 9. Traded as high as 47.33.75 in the overnight, and it really just leaves 47.43 quarter as the, as far as the all-time high. What's next? 47.50 is open for business, and I'll say the same thing to you guys that I said to you on Thursday morning and Wednesday morning. Unless the bears show up, unless they push back, we are going to continue to bleed higher up through the end of the week. The bears need, and the bears cannot take it up organically. They cannot take it up in a vacuum. They need some type of news event, some type of sustainable news event that is going to bring the market in and leave it in. Otherwise, everything is a dip, everything is a buy, everything is a press to the upside. Hourly chart, you can see it here, 100-day support. Couple looks at it over a couple of days there, and then you just continue to see higher low, higher low. I mean, I could just, I could do this all, I could do this all day. Put one here, take another one, here. Every one of these presses gets taken to the upside in this little slow bleed. And what you really have not seen, and the critical thing and the thing to watch today, hourly midband is 47.22, okay? Hourly midband has not been resistance. Support last night. It's currently support. You can see this tight little squeeze it's trying to pop out of here, and it really moved out of it at 7 a.m. this morning and went and traded those 33s a couple of times. And there's potential for it to really just go ahead and press right up to 47.50 pretty quickly, especially off the open, if the open goes in the bulls' way. Last time we saw that was Wednesday. We had the tight move and the pop out, didn't really look back. But the point I'm trying to make with the hourly midband is you really have no effort by the bears to turn that hourly midband into anything that remotely looks like resistance in the last week. This is the last time it held it in. It was 2 in the afternoon on Monday, right before they gave it all up. They've tested it, but it hasn't helped. So keep an eye on the hourly midband today. It's currently at 47.22. Volume weighted average price 47.23. We got a proprietary moving average at 27. 5 minute midband is at 30. So keep an eye on those areas. But if the bears don't show up, the bulls continue to march. You can call it the Santa rally. You can call it performance chasing. You can call it boredom. You can call it a slow market, and it's not really. You can call it whatever the hell you want. But if the bears don't show up for work, then the bulls will play, and we will continue to march higher in every one of these instances. I would be very leery of a hard press back this morning that gets bought. I think you got to be there long, and until some key areas, something like, if they can't flip the hourly mid band into resistance, then there's really no short to be held in this tape. There's a lot of fighting a price that could go on up top, and you don't want to be that. You would rather be in tune with the tape, making money as it goes higher versus throwing darts at everything that looks like a high. Because if you are paying any attention to this chart at all, that has not worked out. All right, that's all I got. Everybody have a fantastic day. Be safe, be healthy, take care, trade them well, and I'll talk to you tomorrow.